In this sequence of numbers, we do not have a common difference. The difference between 2 and 6 is 4, and the difference between 6 and 18 is 12, and then it is 36, and then it is maybe 98. So I can actually see that there's no common difference in this sequence. And the same with this one. It's -6 and then it's minus 4.5. There's no common difference. So I'm going to check and see if there's a common ratio. And that is if I take 6 and I divide it by 2. So I'm taking the second number and dividing it by the first number, it gives me 3. Let's do the same with this number times this number. So if I always take the third and divide it by the second one, that's 3. What if I take the fourth and divide it by the third? Yes, it's the same number all the way through. It's always 3. And this is called the common ratio, or R. So R is 3. And if that's common, you've got a geometric sequence. You're actually multiplying all the way through. So you're multiplying by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 3 is 54, and so on. Now you also have a formula for this, and this says that UN equals U1 times R to the n minus 1. And we've already used notation for U1, so let's fill this in for our number sequence. My first number in this sequence is 2, and my R number is 3 to the power of n minus 1. And let's use it to check the fifth term. The fifth term should be 162. So if I want to find U5, the fifth term, I'm going to do 2 times 3. N is 5, so 5 minus 1 is 4. You can check this on your calculator. 3 to the power of 4 is 81, times 2 is 162. So we've got another one here. You could pause this and try this yourself. What I'm going to do now is work out my common ratio, which is 18 divided by 24, or 13.5 divided by 18. Now, if you can check both of those, they simplify to 3 over 4. So this time it's a fraction. So let me fill in my formula using this. So UN equals my first number U1, that's 24. And then I times it by 3/4. And that's all to the power of n minus 1. And you can do some calculations and check some of these out, but that all works out.